Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Jack in the Box good sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for joining. Like I said, we're going to be making Jack in the Box good sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. Let's start whipping it up. All right, grab yourself a big bowl for all the ingredients. You're going to put in your mayonnaise, your vinegar, we're going to throw in our honey, sriracha, garlic powder, and the onion powder. You're just going to whip this up. There it is. Jack in the Box good sauce. We got some French fries going. We're going to give this a taste. There, so let's get a taste of this. You can see that sauce right there. Let's see how viscosity, thickness grabs those fries just with a minimal amount of drip. Right there. Oh yeah. Creamy. You got that heat and sriracha in there. Not too much though. Vinegar gives it a little bit of a tang. The garlic and the onion powder and that sweetness from the honey really help the flavor. Yeah, should be good. Not only on fries, but chicken strips or a burger. Really good sauce. Jack in the Box good sauce. You can get the recipe down there in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to check out my seasoning shop right there. It's onlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.